Another unknown fan to add to the list. This is a 52-inch. Unknown lighted housing ceiling fan, manufactured around 2007. It is in this cabin in North Carolina. Let's turn on low. Now these things there's 6 of them in the house, and all of them are on light dimmers. So this is just on all the way. It's not buzzing too terribly. Yeah. But the one in the other bedroom across from me has no blades on it because it is installed in the bunk room. But yeah. Another problem with this fan is the light pull chain gets stuck. Top shot. As you can see, it's a pitted metal finish, or whatever you call that. There we go. Alright, let's go to high. Yeah, it's installed above a bed frame. Alright. Let's turn it off. One last look. And yeah.